bowl. I put rice in a bowl. Fridge, fridge. I keep milk in the fridge. Pan. I cook egg in a pan. Bottle, bottle, bottle. I drink water from a bottle. Stove, stove. I cook on the stove. I cook on the stove. Salt, salt. I add salt to my food. Rice, rice. I eat rice every day. I eat rice every day. Shower, shower. I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning. Toilet, toilet. I go to the toilet. I go to the toilet. Hair, hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Shampoo, shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo. Toothpaste, toothpaste. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Shirt, shirt. I wear a red shirt. I wear a red shirt. Shoe, shoe. I wear shoe outside. I wear shoe outside. Hat, hat. I wear a hat in the hot sun. I wear a hat in the hot sun. Hand, hand. I put on my pants. I put on my pants. Jacket, jacket. I wear a jacket when it is cool. Money, money. I pay with money. I pay with money. Store, store. I go to the store. I go to the store. Market, market. I buy food at the market. I buy food at the market. Cart, cart. I put the cart at the shop. I put the cart at the shop. School, school. I walk to school. I walk to school. Sleep, sleep. I sleep at 10 o'clock. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Family, family. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. Water, water. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. Friend, friend. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. Tree. Tree. I sit on the tree. I sit under the tree. Flower. Flower. I see a red flower. I see a red flower. Sun. Sun. I like the sun. I like the sun. Rain. Rain. I walk in the rain. I walk in the rain. Wind. Wind. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. Grass. Grass. I play on the grass. I play on the grass. Bird. Bird. I hear a bird. I hear a bird. Sky. Sky. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Teacher. Teacher. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. Student. Student. I am a student. I am a student. Notebook. Notebook. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. Desk. Desk.